Xbox app is a great way to manage Game Pass. Check out what your friends on Xbox Live are doing and even earn some Microsoft reward points too. But did you also know that inside the app is a free puzzle game that's fun to play and can earn you credits towards your next Xbox purchase? It's true. Over the weekend, we loaded up the Xbox app and checked out the various quests available in its reward section. And yes, in the Xbox app, there are quests that ask you to play games on your PC or console and reward you with points that can be exchanged for Xbox Store credit. Most people know about that already, but as we were scrolling through the quests and seeing what we needed to do, we made sure to load up Microsoft Jewel 2 and play a level to get some bonus points. And then we wondered, how many people know about this? We asked around, and it turns out not many folks in our lives knew about Jewel 2. So to help everyone out, we decided to make this video. Here's how to play a fun puzzle game that's sort of hidden in the Xbox app and earn free reward points. To play Jewel 2 and start earning reward points, you'll first need the Xbox app. We're assuming you know how to find apps on your phone or tablet and install them, so do that. Once you have the Xbox app installed, just log in with your Xbox account and then click your profile at the top of the home screen. This will take you to your profile page, and the first tab should be Rewards. Scroll down and you'll reach your Xbox reward quest. These are various tasks that involve you playing Xbox games or logging into the app. Easy stuff and a great way to earn some Xbox credit to help pay for games or in-app currencies. But this quest menu is also where you'll find the free Jewel 2 game. At the top of your quest, you should find one named Tap Here to Play, and it should be worth 5 reward points. You might also see a quest asking you to complete a level in Jewel 2. Tapping either quest will open up Microsoft Jewel 2, which plays a lot like Bejeweled. Is this the best puzzle game ever made? No, but it's fun enough, and doing this every day can quickly help you earn reward points. And you can also surprise people who don't know it exists, or maybe win a bar bet. Just note that if you don't see the quest asking you to play Jewel, then the game or rewards aren't supported in your region. Sorry. Oh, and if you really like Microsoft Jewel 2, well, you don't even need the Xbox app to play it. You can find it on MSN Games. You don't get Xbox rewards for playing it in your browser, but it still makes all the satisfying noises when you match jewels and make them pop, and that's nice.